Once upon a time, in a peaceful green forest, lived a kind little sparrow named Lila. One day, while flying near the river, Lila found a shiny golden ring on the ground. She asked the animals about it, but they told her to keep it for herself. But Lila knew it was not hers. She chose to be honest. After searching, she found a sad old rabbit who had lost his precious ring. Lila returned the ring, and the rabbit was filled with joy and gratitude. Soon, all the animals praised Lila for her honesty and kindness, and from that day on, Lila was loved and respected by everyone. Moral of story is honesty and kindness always bring respect and happiness.